In a fashion industry long dominated by youth-centric ideals and slim silhouettes, a powerful and transformative movement is taking shape. One that centers older plus-size women and embraces their beauty, dignity, and confidence. Around the world, from the bustling fashion capitals of New York and London to the rich cultural runways of Mumbai, Seoul, Lagos, and Nairobi, designers are crafting elegant and modest party dresses that not only flatter fuller figures but also celebrate age with grace and poise. This global celebration of style, rooted in cultural diversity and inclusivity, is offering a refreshing and much-needed spotlight on a demographic that has for too long been overlooked in mainstream fashion narratives. In the United States, the growing demand for plus-size party dresses designed specifically for mature women has sparked a vibrant response from both independent and established designers. American women over the age of 50 are seeking party attire that strikes the perfect balance between sophistication and comfort. In response, fashion houses are creating midi and maxi dresses with high necklines, full-length or elbow-length sleeves, and flattering A-line cuts that gently skim over the curves. Rich fabrics such as satin, chiffon, velvet, and lace are favored for their ability to add texture and elegance without adding unnecessary volume. Designers are paying particular attention to construction, using darting, soft pleats, and strategic ruching to create dresses that enhance the body's natural shape while maintaining modesty. Deep jewel tones, muted metallics, and floral patterns in subdued color palettes are dominating the American plus-size party scene, offering older women the opportunity to shine in a way that feels both age-appropriate and exquisitely stylish. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic in the United Kingdom, a similar evolution is unfolding. British fashion is often associated with refined restraint and timeless elegance, and this ethos is now being thoughtfully applied to party dresses for older plus-size women. In London and beyond, designers are turning to classic silhouettes such as the tea-length fit and flare dress, the empire waist gown, and the structured sheath dress, reimagining them with fuller sleeves, soft linings, and elegant embellishments. There is a growing appreciation for high-quality fabrics like crepe, brocade, and tulle overlays, which lend themselves well to formal and semi-formal gatherings. Brands are also offering customizations, allowing clients to adjust sleeve lengths or neckline shapes to suit individual preferences. Color choices in the UK market lean toward dusty pinks, navy blues, bottle greens, and pewter greys, shades that convey quiet sophistication while remaining versatile across a range of social occasions. Many British designers are also working closely with their clients to ensure the garments accommodate not only body shape but also the needs of aging women, including considerations for mobility and ease of wear, without compromising on aesthetics. In India, the party dress landscape is steeped in a vibrant cultural heritage that influences both the materials used and the design philosophy. For Indian women over 50, modesty is often an inherent part of formal wear, and fashion labels are responding with renewed energy and creativity. Long anarkalis, floor-length gowns, and kaftan-style abayas are being designed in luxurious fabrics such as silk, georgette, and organza, often embellished with hand embroidery, sequins, zari work, and mirror detailing. These garments are tailored to provide ample coverage while celebrating the richness of Indian textile traditions. Designers are also incorporating traditional elements such as dupattas, long jackets, and detailed borders, making each dress a canvas of craftsmanship and cultural pride. Color plays a major role in Indian party wear, with mature women often gravitating toward regal tones like deep maroon, emerald green, royal blue, and gold, while some prefer soft pastels for day events. What makes Indian party dresses truly stand out is their ability to marry tradition with modern tailoring, creating garments that are as comfortable and wearable as they are festive and flattering. This fusion ensures that Indian plus-size women can attend weddings, anniversaries, or formal gatherings with confidence, draped in beauty that honors their heritage. Across other parts of Asia, particularly in regions like Southeast Asia and East Asia, modest fashion for older plus-size women is gaining momentum as both a cultural and commercial trend. In places like Malaysia and Indonesia, where modesty is deeply valued, older women are turning to baju kurung and kebaya-style dresses with updated cuts and breathable fabrics to suit festive occasions. The emphasis is on flow, comfort, and understated elegance, with dresses often featuring beautiful embroidery, lace accents, and graceful drapes. These designs provide coverage without sacrificing femininity, with long sleeves, high collars, and layered silhouettes offering both modesty and movement. In East Asia, countries like South Korea and Japan are seeing a surge in interest in modest fashion among older women, fueled by a growing consciousness of body positivity and aging with style. Designers there are focusing on clean lines, soft tailoring, and monochrome palettes that speak to a minimalist but deeply refined aesthetic. Fabrics like satin crepe and light wool blends are used to construct dresses that are structured yet forgiving, often paired with capes, shawls, or boleros to provide added coverage and visual interest. The Asian market is also seeing a rise in custom-made pieces, with older women investing in bespoke garments that reflect their personal taste and cultural background. In Africa, party dresses for older plus-size women are undergoing a radiant transformation, led by a new generation of designers who are infusing traditional aesthetics with contemporary elegance. From Ghana to South Africa, Kenya to Nigeria, the celebration of fuller figures is embedded in the cultural fabric, and fashion designers are capitalizing on this with garments that are bold, regal, and deeply expressive. African prints such as Ankara, Kent, and Adaya are being used to create long gowns, peplum dresses, and floor-sweeping styles that combine vibrant colors with modest cuts. High necklines, bishop sleeves, and structured bodices are commonly seen, as are details like beaded appliques, layered flounces, and waist ties that accentuate curves in a flattering manner. African designers are not shying away from drama. Instead, they are embracing it with pride, creating statement pieces that command attention while maintaining dignity and grace. For older women, these dresses are more than fashion. They are affirmations of identity, history, and self-respect. Whether attending a wedding, milestone birthday, or gala event, African plus-size women are stepping out in style that is culturally rooted and unapologetically elegant. As the global fashion narrative continues to expand and evolve, the collective focus on modest and elegant party dresses for older plus-size women signals a broader shift in values. This is no longer simply about inclusion. It is about celebration of age, of body diversity, of cultural richness, and of the universal desire to feel beautiful. Around the world, older plus-size women are redefining what it means to dress up, to show up, and to stand out. They are rejecting the notion that fashion has an expiration date or a limited size chart. Instead, they are embracing designs that speak to their experiences, their wisdom, and their desire for elegance that feels authentic and personal. The fashion industry's response to this demand has been encouraging, but much work remains. Accessibility, affordability, and representation continue to be challenges, especially in regions where plus-size fashion is still emerging. Yet, the momentum is undeniable. Through social media platforms, fashion shows, and community events, older plus-size women are gaining visibility and a voice in the style conversation. Influencers, designers, and stylists from each of these regions are playing key roles in pushing the envelope, challenging outdated norms, and creating garments that honor both modesty and celebration. This international renaissance of modest party wear for mature plus-size women is not a fleeting moment. It is a powerful movement that reflects deeper cultural truths. Across continents and communities, there is a shared understanding that beauty does not fade with age, nor is it diminished by size. Rather, beauty deepens. It evolves. And now, finally, it is being dressed accordingly.